Hello everyone. Recently I completed a course on Power BI and in that course I was provided a project work also. So I am here to give the presentation on that project. I'll be telling how I made that project. The project name was Business Insights 360 Dashboard. In this project I did 5 of the steps. Firstly I'll be telling about the introduction of the company, then data collection and transformation, then data modeling. Fourth is report design and fifth is dashboard design. Now talking about the company name is AtliQ Hardware. It is a consumer goods electronic company with global operations. This company sells products like laptop, keyboard, mouse, batteries and many others. They are having a customers like Amazon, Flipkart, Chroma, Staples. They are selling the product in many countries such as India, USA, UK, and many others. Channels are retailers, direct, and distributors. Now, the challenges and the goals of AtliQ Hardware. Till now, AtliQ Hardware was relying on Excel's data analytics, and that was posing challenges in insight generation. And also, they made a loss in Latin America. The goals set by the AtliQ Hardware was they were having a meeting, and in that meeting, they decided to onboard a data analytics team so that they can make a insightful decision. And also they want to reduce their losses and increase profitability. Second step was data collection and transformation. The data which was presented by AtliQ Hardware was in MySQL database, and also some of the data were in Excel sheets. So we have to load this data from MySQL to Power BI, and the data was more than 10 million consumers. Then we clean the data in Power Query, also created some new columns in the Power Query. Third step was data modeling. When we gather all the data, then we have to create some relationship. Here in data modeling, we can see that in this, these are the fact table which shows the description of each customers, discounts, and all those things. In the sides of this fact table, these are dimension table, which are telling further information about that fact table. And also here we can see that the dimension table is further joined with the dimension table. So here we can see that it is a snowflake schema, and also the relationship is one to many. And also in the right corner we can see that we also made many key measures which was more than 50 plus. And also we created some columns. Fourth one was report design. In report design, we were having financial view, which was about the creating profit and loss statement. Sales view deals with the customers and making relationship with them. Marketing view focused on product, running ads and doing marketing. Supply chain view product to produce for not being out of stocks or excessive inventory. Fifth one was executive view. It is for the top level such as CEO. Before building reports or dashboard, we were given some mockups for each view. Now we will be going to Power BI for reports and dashboard. Here, now we are in Power BI, and also we can see the data which we made. The relationship was one to many, and here we can see how each data is connected with each other. And also we created many of the measures we can see here with different formulas functions we use. Now coming back to our report view, Here it is the home page of our dashboard, and in this section we can see that when the last time data was refreshed, and the AtliQ hardware data is available till the December 21st. Here for each view we have created a link where the stakeholder, like if you want to go to marketing view, we can go directly by just clicking to that. So if now we'll be going to finance view. Okay, so here in the top of each page we have provided some slicers, the slicer of like region and market, the customers, and here is years, quarters, year to date, year to go, last last year, and targets. These are the key metrics: net sales, gross margin percentage, net profit. And this is the most important thing of finance view. It is a profit and loss statement. It's give us overview about how the products are performing, and how much the sales is generating, and the net profit and net loss. Here in this chart we can see the net sales, and also we can see versus target also, and versus last year, compared with both of them. Here it is a top and bottom product and customers by the net sales. And also we can go further. It is in region basis, then we can go to country basis also. Now going to the sales view, we have to just click here. In the sales view, we can see the customer performance is here, and also in the marketing view, we only used gross margin, but here we are also using net sales, and we have provided the tooltip also. So here it is giving the information monthly basis. There is product performance, and here is a performance matrix, and we have given the toggle button also. It is showing the how much percentage it is, and we can see that how much the performance is there. It is comparison between net sales and gross margin. In the blue it is a unit economics. Now going to the marketing view, in the marketing view we have the products and performance. Product performance is here. This is regional market and customer performance, and here we have given the net sales compared with the gross margin, and also the net profit percentage. See here we have provided just a click. We have to just click here, then we will be able to go through gross margin percentage or net profit percentage. Some of the stakeholders, they want to see net profit, and other they want to see gross margin. So we have provided a button here, and also there is a drill through. We can go in detail of that, and also here is a toggle button also, so we can slide it. And this is a unit economics. Here we can see total COGS versus gross margin, and this is a water water funnel water funnel chart. And here we can see the gross margin is 1.4k, whereas operation expense is 1.9k. It is in minus, and the net profit after the calculation we got in minus 5k. So we can say that it is having a loss. Now going to the supply chain. Firstly, Supply chain, it means that how much the product should be produced so that it should not be going to out of stocks or it should not be in excessive inventory. So here we have provided forecast accuracy, net error, absolute error, net error. Net error, it means that the forecast sales minus the actual sales. It will tell us like how the net error, what is the net error. And we have also, here is a key metric by the customers. And in the end, we have given the risk also. Here, OOS means out of stock and EI means excessive inventory. And here is a chart which is showing us the net sales and also the forecast accuracy. And if you see in 2020, here we can say that the net error is very high, and the reason behind that is COVID time. So the AtliQ Hardware, they were not able to sold his products, and but later on in 2021 they start gaining this same position as they were earlier. And in 2022 we are having data till December 21, so that's why it is not showing us. Same for the top and bottom product, we have made this. And here we can also see that like which product are more out of stock. Here we can see that in peripheral it is in minus, so we can check which product in peripheral is out of stock. Here we can see that the graphic cards, they are much their sales should be much, but they are not able, like the products are out of stock, that's why we are not able to sell that. And this thing, like we can tell to the, we can ask to the AtliQ what is the reason behind that, so that they can manufacture more graphic cards. So now going to the executive view. This view is seen by the top executive such as CEO. They just want to know the overview what is there. And here we have given net sales, gross margin percentage, forecast accuracy. Here is the key insight by the subzone. And this is a ribbon chart. Here the AtliQ share is shown with their competitors. And here we can see that the Dell, it is the market leader and consistent for like 4 to 5 years. If we see AtliQ, it is in the below, it is having like 5.9%. But there is some interesting thing. If I go to India, here we can see that AtliQ is in the third number, and in the next quarter it will be in second position. The reason behind that is India is the main market for the AtliQ, so that's why it is having like more share here in India. We have given the revenue by division, revenue by channel, and here it is the comparison of AtliQ with the like it is the gross net sales and like how much it is increasing. In the end, like we have given top 5 customers by revenue and top 5 products by revenue. And also there is a, like we have given some information like when the data will be refreshed and all those FAQs where to check this, and some support button is also given, how like providing some feedback, adding some new report. The user can just click that and get the thing whatever he want. Okay, so that's all the project. So this was my project, and I would like to thank Dhawal sir and Hemnanda sir for providing this project. Thank you for listening.